to the task at hands. And the host here got a haircut. Isn't that very sexy?
Whoops, wrong button.
Sam, shut up.
Thank you, I know, it's so cute or something. Okay, so we have 2 words of the day. One is fortune cookie, the other is eye touch. Show them the eye touch.
A fortune cookie is what Japanese people eat. Or Chinese. Or Asian.
Okay,
Whatever.
so,
Shut up! Shut up!
Don't listen to it. Don't listen to it. Okay, now.
okay, so
that fortune cookie.
let Jason talk
Not
about his
tasty.
eye touch. Okay, come on now, Tam. Come on, let him talk. Let him have his moment.
So, what I have here is the app, the Big Button Box Pro. And it has all these buttons that I'll be using for the next couple of task at hands. Like this.
Show him.
And, yeah.
While he's doing this, you can read my fortune cookie.
Get back to the real stars, okay? Okay.
Snap.
Okay, now, back to Modern Warfare. What's good in life?
Bye, everybody. Bye. We'll miss you. Say bye, everybody.
Bye!
Bye.